Customizing a small UAV that it has a lot of equipment and components that are compactly put together is hard. Project Leapfrog stands for Long Endurance Edge AI platform for research opportunities and data gathering. It is a project pushing the limits of aviation in terms of can we have a platform that can meet the FAA requirements, Part 107, flying 115 miles, have capability of things like 4G, obstacle avoidance, emergency landing capabilities, and the ability to hand off control from one operator to another.
Drone is armed.
Project Leapfrog will be more accessible to a whole variety of applications. Because it's a fixed-wing platform and it's quote-unquote long endurance, it allows you to being able to capture things at scale instead of just doing small research plots. Having the VTOL capability expands the use case. So like if I'm working at, say, the Yosemite and you're doing search and rescue, there's not a lot of room to take off and land. So having VTOL and having a fixed wing platform that can have long endurance is really desirable for those specific applications. There's this challenge between doing design work, especially for students, and then deploying stuff on real systems. And so there's always this balance between, living with data in, simulation and in the lab, and then playing with data or equipment in the real world. And things fail, and things are noisy, and things have disturbances. It's something that, requires many iterations, and it requires lots of testing to make sure things will deploy properly. Our team is up for the challenge, and we made good strides, but I think there's still more work to be done.
7 meters, 43.3 volts. Landed.
It's disarmed.